Hi guys, it's Kashel back with another video tutorial on how you could easily put on your waist trainer. So what I have here is the sweat belt and I'm gonna show you how. Oh, and I wear a size medium. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a bit far, but I wear a size medium. So please don't judge me, we're all here to lose weight, right? With my fat belly. Everybody has fat, you know. So I'm gonna show you. So you start up here, some of them it's a bit troublesome to put, right? Chinese would say mafan. So start up here and you pull down. As you pull down, you try the zip. I think some people will take a bit more time, you know. And there you have it. Perfect sweat belt. That's your sweat belt. Now I'm going to show you at least two more. Anyway, this waist trainer is the clip and zip, right? So the clips are below and the zip is on top. You're gonna do the same thing. If some people can't understand much, maybe they think I have an accent, I am very sorry. So what you do, this, like I said, the clip is below. Clip, 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 clip. You pull down. See? Oh my. Clip. I said to clip. Clip. Right, insert, you zip, and that's it, guys. This is the clip and zip. I like. Then I'm gonna show you the final one. Okay, and then this is the final one, medium again, all clips. Whew. All clips. Here we go again. Up, clip, pull, clip, pull down, clip, 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 my brow, I can't see much. I like this one. So this is all clips. And that's it for today's video tutorial. None of the easy so you could put on your waist trainers.